welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I went to IMATS. I actually was not gonna go this year because I was saving up my money. Well, my husband's money. I was saving up money for the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie collection round 2. Yes, you guys probably guessed it already that I was gonna get my hands on it. It was actually thanks to Kiss New York Professional that I got to go on September 20. They were doing a giveaway for IMATS tickets and I was like so excited. So I was like, I'll enter it. What are the chances that I'm gonna go to IMATS anyway? Like, I never win anything. So I followed the instructions and I tagged my husband. Little did I know, later on that day, Kiss New York messaged me. They're like, congratulations, you are the winner for the IMATS tickets. I was like, what? I did not expect that. I was so excited and happy because that's the first thing I ever won. I've never won anything and it's a huge deal to me. So thank you, Kiss New York. I ended up going Sunday because Saturday I was busy editing my video. I couldn't make it to IMATS that day. I went on Sunday and I didn't want to spend so much money. I mean, I got carried away like I always do. Don't judge me. I didn't know that they were gonna give me the exhibitor badges, but I got the exhibitor badge. Thank you so much, Kiss. This means a lot to me. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is the bag. The bag is a recycling bag. It has the Kat Von D logo. It's a pretty bag. It's reusable. This time they didn't bring a booklet, so it doesn't matter. I just needed to know where things were, so I just went on the website. So thanks to these little guys right here, my husband and I were actually able to go in before it opened. Some of the brands were still setting up, so I went straight to Morphe because I know Morphe gets hella packed and I wasn't planning to stay the entire day lined up at Morphe. So I went there first, but they were still setting up, so I came back around before they let people in. I only wanted one brush. Actually, I wanted 3 brushes in total. As you guys know, I have this brush. I know I bought this at Morphe and it has no name, and forever I've been saying it's the M441 because I've heard a lot of people talk about that brush, that it's tapered. But when I saw the M441, it didn't look like this. I don't think that's the one. And then I kept looking for another one and I asked the lady there, do you have any brush that's a little bit shorter but more tapered? She pointed to me this other one, which is the M13 brush. This one right here. And it's not the same. I mean, mine is pretty beat up, okay? But it did not look like that. The sticker on that side where I was looking at that brush said $4. So I'm like, okay, $4. Then I saw also the concealer brush, which is the M24 brush. I was like, ooh, I need a new concealer brush. So maybe if it's big enough, it'll do the cut crease just faster. This one said $4 as well. Then I was looking for a smaller blending brush. I remember that I wanted a small blending brush to blend out smaller parts of the cut creases when I don't want it to blend too high. So I asked her which is the smallest blending brush, and she pointed out that it was this one, the M506. I saw the price, $8. Saw the price on this, it said $4. $4, I'm like, okay, cool. 8 and 8, 16. So I go and pay. Total came out to 22 something. I didn't pay attention, so I went out and I told my husband, and my husband was like, wait, wasn't it 8 and 8, 16 plus tax should be like probably 18? I looked at the receipt that was emailed to me and I saw I was charged $884. So I was like, wait, I went back. I'm like, this brush, they told me it was $4 and it actually said $4 on it. Before I went to say anything, I went back and I saw the brush. It said $4. The sticker said M513, $4. I tell them, they're like, what? They went to look and they come back, it says $8. I'm like, okay, that's weird. But anyways, I wasn't gonna fight them for $4. To me, obviously $4 was a lot because I was just trying to save money for all the stuff that I was gonna get. She didn't lie either. She didn't lie about saying it actually said $8. There was 2 parts of the kiosk where they had the same brushes as the other side. So I was looking at one of the sides that wasn't the one that she looked at. So on one side it probably said $8, but on the side that I was, it said $4. And I remember asking, I'm like, oh, how much is this? And she said, she looked and she said $4. Whatever. I'm not that person that will fight you for that. Like, it sucks that you did that. I'm not gonna fight you for it. Anyways, this is the concealer brush. It feels soft. I can't wait to try it out since I've been obsessed with cut creases, halo cut creases, the half cut creases in comparison to the other one that I have. The other ones are a lot smaller than this. So I can't wait. And they all say the name. I made sure this time. The bristles feel exactly the same. This one is a lot taller than this one. Maybe this one just got short from all these years. And the last brush, which was the blending brush. It's kind of like a pencil brush, but just a lot softer. That was for Morphe, and then I ended up bumping into a lot of people I knew. I also ended up meeting Mimi Choi, which on Instagram is known as Mimless or Mimeless. I'm not sure how you say her name, but Mimi Choi. She's known for doing amazing makeup artistry. She's really, really, really talented. I got to meet her and I was so nervous. I was seriously not myself, like words weren't coming out properly. Anyways, as we walked around, a lady offered us to try this hand cream. Well, it's not really a hand cream, it's like body lotion, hand cream, face cream, basically anything, because it is organic and it has aloe vera. My hands are not dry, but I felt the difference when she massaged that hand. My husband's hands is the one that you could actually see the most because he has calluses in his hands and are very dry because of him working in construction. We weren't gonna buy a lot. It wasn't in our budget and it wasn't on our list to get a cream. We ended up deciding to try it out because it's good for a lot of things. Because it has aloe vera, it does a lot for your skin. So it could be for like acne, age spots, ashy skin, bed sores, bee stings, flea bites. Guys, you guys know the building has fleas. Itching, so it helps with itching. My husband gets like some random rashes. He put it on his rash and it's actually healing up. Also my skin, my under eye, it gets dry. I get itchy skin on my legs, razor burn. This product is called Hawaiian Moon Aloe. This one is sealed because she sold us this and gave us 3 little traveling size cream. It has a fresh scent. I put this thing under my eyes last night and this morning, and every time I put it, it feels like it tightens my skin. It has that tightening feeling. So I put it on my face feels so soft. I'm super happy with the results I'm getting with this cream. She said that you can actually put it also on your pet if your pet has skin rashes or skin problems. And oh my god guys, I want to try that because of Trooper. He has like this rash and it itches, so maybe it'll help him and we'll see if it works or not for him. My next stop was at Kiss New York Professional. As you guys know, I didn't know about Kiss New York Professional until I was sent a PR package by Roar Relations and Kiss New York. I tried their makeup. I fell in love with it. It is high quality products and very, very affordable. I had in mind of some of the things I wanted to get there. Unfortunately, they didn't have the blushes that I wanted, but it's okay because I saw other things. Oh look, I didn't even see. They put samples. I got a mattifying primer. Oh my god, I didn't even see they threw that in. That is so sweet. Ooh, I also got LipStain. A new degree of glossy lip stain immediately stains glossy color to the lip. Oh, cute! This shade is called Lost Cherry. Let's try it out. This is so cute. Wow, that is hella pink. It's so beautiful. I got 11 products from Kiss New York. I got this little guy right here. This is the Truism Color Intense lipstick in the shade Ristretto. Oh my god, guys. This shade is so beautiful. It's like that nude with brown undertones that I've been looking for. It still has pink undertone to it, but I fell in love with this color. This guy right here is not matte. It's a creamy lipstick. Next, I got another lipstick. So this lipstick is one of their new lipsticks. They're called the Amorous Matte. So this is a matte lipstick. Can you guys see the shade? It is very, very fallish. Oh my god, I'm so in love with it. And the shade is in Brown Eyes. The packaging is like a matte finish. Ooh, guys, look. This is such a beautiful color, Brown Eyes. When I saw this, I was like, ooh, let me swatch it. Guys, this color is so beautiful. I can't wait to have this on my lips. The next lipstick that I got is called the Scandal Cushion Lipstick. This one's in the shade Gossip. The finish on this one, it says here, moisturizing and creamy texture that provides a velvety matte finish. I don't want to squeeze it. It's just like a fuzzy kind of tip. They all have the same scent, that fresh, clean shampoo scent. And I love it. Oh, I freaking love it. Just so you guys can see. Ah, it's such a beautiful nude, guys. They still have that pink undertone at the exception of this one. This is more orangey brown. Next, I bought a new eyeliner because I'm running low and I keep forgetting to buy new eyeliners. As I was there, I saw this new eyeliner that it's still not in stores yet. This one is the long tip eyeliner. It says here at the back it is smudge proof, extreme wear, intense color. This is in the shade Blackest Black. I do have the Dead Sexy liner, which is so thick. I was hoping they would come out with a thin felt tip liner, and they did, guys. They did. Look at how thin this liner is. Very sharp and also very, very pigmented. Look at that. I bought two of these, guys. They're not out yet. I have my backup. So I also got a new mascara because I've been using the Benefit sample size. I'm running out of it, and I decided to pick this little guy because it has two brushes. It does volume and define. So you have this normal mascara brush, and then you have the define brush, which is very, very thin for your lower lash. So I just wanted to try it out. It says here at the back it's 95% spectacular volume and curl, 100% extreme wear, 100% smudge proof. I can't wait to try this little guy. Let me show you guys the brushes. It's called the Dead Sexy Lashes. Oh, I see the brush. It kind of twists. So I'm very curious to try this little guy out. See how tiny it is? It's so cool. Oh yeah, it does say. Oh, I'm so dumb. It has the stickers. It says here upper lashes, which is gonna be the thick brush. And on this one it says lower lashes. Guys, I'm so excited to try this. For face, I got this guy right here. This is the Kiss Pro Touch Pore Minimizing Face Primer. I've been using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, which, by the way, I barely have anything left. And so I saw this little guy. It's a pump. It's cute packaging and it's pink. It feels just a lot more creamier, but it still definitely blurs out my fine lines that I have here on my hands. It kind of feels creamy at first, and then it becomes the same texture as this little guy right here. Aren't you guys excited that I'm trying new things? Also, I decided to buy a foundation. This is the Kiss New York Pro Touch Liquid Foundation. This is in the color Soft Tan. The one before looked a little bit too light, too pinkish. This one was the most yellowish, so I grabbed this one. I don't know what finish it gives. It doesn't say. I got a new concealer. This is the Dark Under Eye Concealer, Buildable-Coverage Concealer. So I was looking at the shades. This was the yellowest that I saw. It's called Warm Nude. As you guys can see, it has a spongy tip like the Maybelline one, and also you twist it and it comes out. I'm very picky with concealers on how it creases out even after you set it with powder, so I'm curious to see how it's gonna work. So excited to try this little guy. So I'm gonna do a video reviewing these three products in one video. First impressions. Next, I got two face peel off masks. So I got the Charcoal Purifying Mask and the Tightening 24K Gold Peel Off Mask. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of me using this. I'll definitely do a video if you guys want to see. The gold one, it tightens, firms and lifts, and detoxifies. The charcoal one says it's purifying charcoal. It removes blackheads, unclogged pores. Oh my god, I can't wait to try these, guys. As part of the giveaway, they gave me a 75% off on my purchase, which was amazing. I also got this little bag. It's a cosmetic bag from Kiss New York. With a purchase, I think, of $35, you get a free makeup bag. Look at this. It's a gunmetal color. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I just saw this. There's space for your brushes. I actually needed this. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kiss New York. I love you guys. I also saw Lime Crime, but this year I decided not to buy anything, even though I saw I saw their lip liners, their new lip liners, but I decided to buy Zuva Beauty. Last year they came and I did not take advantage of the fact that they came, and I was sad to see that they weren't gonna be here, but on Instagram they posted that they were at this booth called CAD 6. I thought it meant Canada 6. It means Casa de Arte 6. By the way, this bag is so cute. I love all my bags. You guys know I will save all bags. Actually, this bag looks like all the IMATS bags, just in a tinier version. Okay, when I went to Casa de Arte, I saw many brands. I saw the Lily Lashes, which I was so tempted to buy, but I controlled myself. I saw Gerard Cosmetics and I was gonna get a lipstick, but they didn't have the shade that I wanted, which was the exact shade I've been looking for. Like that brownie orange fall color. But they didn't have that shade. So the person I was talking to there had her hand full of paint. This beautiful art on her hand glowed in the dark. She showed me under a white light and it looked amazing, guys. I got UV Hydra liners from Zuva. It was buy 3 get 2 for free, so I bought 5. They're all UV. The first one I got, Dance Party, which is the yellow color. You won't be able to see that it glows in the dark because I don't have the white light. It doesn't have a scent. I don't know, let me know if you guys want to see swatches only for these guys. Just as soon as I get a white light. This next one is called Acid Trip. The packaging is also cute. It says Zuva all over, but it's really, really pretty. This one, guys, it is super orange. This next one is called Scrunchy. Scrunchy is a fuchsia pink. So beautiful, guys. I got the wrong one, poopies. Didn't I ask for the blue one instead of the purple? No, this looks like the purple one. This one is called Tracksuit. It looks purple here, but it's not purple. It's blue. The packaging tricked me. See? That does not look like that color. Okay, so I got blue. I was worried. Thank goodness. I also got Fanny Pack. Fanny Pack is the green one. These ones are the only ones that glow in the dark. There's also a purple one. I picked these colors. I can always mix these two together to get the purple one. This little card tells you how to use these. You have to add 2 to 3 drops of water to these little guys. And then with a brush, you just mix the product. Then you just apply the product either on your eye, on your face, on your body. That's pretty much it. It's very simple. That completes this IMATS haul for this year. I want to give a special thanks and a shout out to Kiss New York. Alright guys, so let me know what your thoughts are on everything I bought. Please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you are notified when I upload a new video. And I will see you guys till my next video. Bye guys! So I went there first, but they weren't ready for me. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Yo, yeah. You guys know I have fleas. What? You have fleas. I have fleas. Don't. Oh, there. It's coming. It's coming. Why did I say kiosk? It's a booth. When I went to the Casa de... Why do I have an accent? Casa de tu mama?